everybody, I am back, and today I am going to show you a little bit about foiling using your Minc Toner Ink marker. And I've shown you before, and we've had videos on the toner cards. These ones are Brutus Monroe toner cards that come with the inspiration box. I will be showing you a few of these. I've got tons of foil. I've got way more than what I've shown you here. But my Minc machine is the 6-inch one. Is it 6? Yes, 6-inch one. I do not have the 12-inch one, but this one works great, especially if you're doing cards or something small like, you know, paper ephemera or little decorative pieces. It works like a hot damn. So anyways, what I'm going to show you today is the Minc pen. This is a toner pen. And I'm going to show you how this works. Maybe I'll do it this way. So now I'm going to write with my toner pen, and I'm just going to use this as a photo mat and add a little decor to it. You can put whatever you want. You can draw stuff, you can trace stuff. It could be whatever you wish for your creation. And I'm just going to put a little bit here, just to give you an idea how this works. So I'm just going to show you the end result in just a second. So now I've taken it out of the Minc machine. Remove our packaging. Let's see how this turned out. Look at that. All from using a toner pen. Turned out awesome. I'm going to show you some of the other things. These were not created with me using a toner pen, but these were just with toner ink to make some great backgrounds. Look at the colors in these. They're fabulous. These are great for cards, or you can use them on your creations however you see fit. There's so many awesome pictures and landscapes and backgrounds. Look at the colors in these. All the shimmer. These were all done with thermoweb foils. So move those ones down. You could use, even if you wanted to stamp, you could use the Heidi Swap toner stamp pad. You could also, if you have a laserjet printer or a toner ink printer, you can print anything off of the web or even type out fonts or whatever, and you can use those in a Minc machine. Like, these are all amazing colors. You can use any foil that is meant for heat. Just to give you an idea of some of these, I have tons of them. This one is really cool. Look at the color. It's like rainbow effect. Same with the writing. So yeah, you can play around with this. The Minc machine is awesome. It's a lot of fun. And again, there's two sizes. You can get the 6 or the 12. The 12 you could do full pages. So that's pretty cool. You could put your own stamps and creations down, and then put that through your Minc and actually have a scrapbook page created. If you're going to do cards, the 6 is good enough for you. But these are so cool. I love that. Look at that. And again, these are all shimmery and sparkly, excuse me, and pretty. So I recommend getting a Minc machine. If you want more information on how the Minc works, I have another video that you can check out. Plus, that is the toner ink marker if you want to create your own creations. Hopefully you enjoyed this video. Hopefully it was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like, and check out my other videos. Thanks for watching and have a great day.